To remove SIM card from your Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is take your SIM tool or SIM pin, whatever you call it. It is located in your box of your phone, and the SIM tray is located on the bottom of your phone. From here, simply insert this SIM tool into this pin right here and push until the SIM tray ejects, just like this. And from here, you have to grab this SIM tray with your nails, just like this, and take it out. There is no problem with doing that, and as you can see, here we have our SIM tray with the SIM. We have two SIMs actually right here, so I will show you how to take out these SIM cards when there are two SIM cards. And on this side of the SIM tray, like on the front, this like might be the front of the SIM tray, here you can see there are little cuts for the SIM cards, and you can grab these cards with your nails. And even though you have short nails, you can do it all with no problem. As you can see, I just took out this SIM card right here. There's the same thing. You can do it with this SIM card right here. Just simply grab it with your nail and you can take it out just like this. As you can see, it gets out with no problem. And eventually, if you're having only one SIM card in this SIM tray, all you can do is simply just push it out of here using this hole right here. Just take it and you can, like, how can I show you? Oh yeah, just like this. You can push it, and as you can see, it gets out just like this. And that is basically how to do this.